Welcome to Tech Boss again. In this video, I'm going to show you how to hard reset any Chinese phone. Before we start this process, I will ask from you guys to hit on the subscribing button so when I upload new video, you can get notification automatically. And let's start the process right now. And also like so others can watch. This tutorial is about all Chinese phone, any Chinese phone, how to hard reset any Chinese phone. If it's Chinese phone, this hard reset will work for it. Now let's start the process. 1. You must press and hold the power button and the down volume at the same time. You must press and hold them like this at the same time. Now let's start the process. 1. Down volume. 2. Power button. Press and hold them like this. When you see the screen light, leave the power and hold here on the down volume. Now use down to move and power as OK, and select this IEMMCE. See it very well. Select this, the only alphabet here, EMMC, and press the power button. This here you are going to select and press the up button. Some use power, some use up, so let's try the up. If the up not work, press the power. Okay, this is the power, so press the power. Now you have 100% factory reset your Chinese phone. So now hit on the subscribe button and check the link below the description how to FRP bypass any Chinese phone without PC. Thank you for watching this video. See you again.